Hey everyone, it's Ashley. My friend Amy is taking her first international flight today. It's a big trip for her and a great chance to practice some real airport English. So, if you ever need to travel and don't know what to say at the airport, this video is your full English guide. Let's follow Amy from the very beginning when she calls a taxi.
Hello, I need a taxi, please.
Sure. Where are you going?
To the airport. English Daily International Airport.
Okay, English Daily Airport.
What's your address?
123 Maple Street.
Got it. And your phone number?
Oh, yes, it's 555-0123.
555-0123. Perfect. The taxi will arrive in about 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay, that's good. Thank you.
No problem. The driver will call you when he arrives.
Oh, he will call me?
Yes, he'll call your phone, let you know he's outside.
Okay, so I'll wait for his call. I understand. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Okay, Amy. 10 minutes. You can do this.
Hello, are you Amy?
Yes, that's me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning to English Daily Airport, right?
Yes, please.
Which airline are you flying with?
Pacific Air?
Pacific Air. Okay. That's Terminal 2.
Terminal 2?
Yes, the airport has two terminals, Terminal 1 and Terminal 2.
Oh, I see. Terminal means
It means the building. Each building is for different airlines.
okay. So Pacific Air is in Terminal 2. Got it.
That's right. Your first time flying?
Is it that obvious?
A little, but don't worry. It's easy.
I hope so. I'm a little nervous.
That's normal. Where are you flying to?
Los Angeles, but I have a stop in Tokyo first.
Oh, a connecting flight. Tokyo to LA.
Connecting flight?
Yes, it means you change planes. You fly to Tokyo, then take another plane to LA.
I understand. So I change planes in Tokyo, then continue to LA.
Exactly. Have you been to Tokyo before?
No, this is my first time. I'm excited, but also nervous.
Nice. The airport there is big but easy to follow.
That's good to know. How long to the airport?
About 25 minutes. Not much traffic today.
Oh, that's lucky. My flight is at 10:30.
10:30? You have plenty of time. What time is it now?
It's 7:45.
Perfect. You should arrive at the airport around 8:10.
Is that enough time?
Oh, yes. For international flights, you should arrive 2 hours early. You have more than 2 hours.
Okay. So 2 hours early for international. That's good. I feel better now.
Just relax. You'll be fine.
Thank you. You're very helpful. Okay, Amy, find check-in. Excuse me, sir?
Yes, can I help you?
Where is check-in for Pacific Air?
Pacific Air is in Terminal 2. You're in the right place.
Oh, good. So I'm already in Terminal 2?
Yes, you are. Go through those doors, then look for the Pacific Air counters.
The counters?
Yes, the desks where you check in. They have signs above them.
Oh, okay. Check-in counters with signs above them. Got it.
Right, just follow the signs. They say departures or check-in.
Departures?
Yes, departures means flights leaving. Arrivals means flights coming in.
Oh, I see. So departures is leaving, arrivals is coming. I want departures.
Exactly. You want departures.
Okay, through those doors, follow departures signs. Thank you so much.
No problem. Good luck with your flight.
Thank you. Okay, Amy, you can do this. Hello.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. You're flying to Los Angeles via Tokyo?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Are you checking any bags?
Checking bags?
Yes. Do you have luggage to put in the plane's cargo or just carry it on?
Oh, I have this suitcase. So this big one can go in the cargo?
Yes, exactly. We'll check that. Put it on the scale, please.
The scale?
Yes, this belt here. It weighs your bag.
Oh, like this?
Perfect. Your bag is 22 kilograms. That's fine.
22 kilograms is okay. Good.
Yes. Do you have any liquids or batteries in this bag?
Liquids?
Yes, like water, shampoo, perfume, things that pour.
Oh no, I put those in my small bag.
Your carry-on?
Carry-on?
Yes, the bag you take with you on the plane, the small one.
Ah, yes, my carry-on. So the small bag that goes with me on the plane, I put liquids there?
Okay. Just remember, liquids in carry-on must be small, 100 milliliters or less.
100 milliliters or less. Okay, I'll remember that. I think mine are small.
Good. And here is your boarding pass.
Boarding pass?
Yes, this is your ticket to get on the plane. It has your seat number and gate.
Oh, okay. So this is how I get on the plane. Gate 12?
Yes, but check the screens inside. Gates can change.
Screens?
The big monitors. They show flight information.
Ah, okay. So check the big screens for gate information. Got it.
Your first flight boards at 9:50. That's to Tokyo.
9:50. Okay, I have time.
And your seat is 23A. That's a window seat.
Window seat? Oh, by the window?
Yes, you will have a nice view.
That's great. I'm so excited.
Go through security, then follow signs to gate 12. Security is over there.
Security?
Yes, where they check your bags and make sure everything is safe.
Oh, okay. So security checks my bags for safety. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful flight.
Thank you. Okay, security next. You can do this, Amy.
Okay, just do what they say. It's fine.
Next, please. Put your bags in bins, please.
Bins?
These gray boxes. Put your bag here.
Oh, these gray boxes. Like this?
Yes, take out your laptop if you have one.
Laptop? This?
Yes, put it in separate bin.
So, laptop in its own bin. Okay.
Perfect. Now take off your jacket and shoes.
Shoes too? Wow, okay.
Yes, please. And your belt if you're wearing one.
Okay, I'm not wearing a belt.
Good. Put them in the bin. Do you have any metal? Keys, coins, phone?
Oh, yes. I have my phone and keys.
In the bin, please.
Sorry, so everything metal goes in?
That's right. Now step through the scanner.
Scanner?
This machine here. Walk through it.
Oh no.
Stop, please. Do you have anything in your pockets?
Oh, I have some coins. Sorry, I forgot.
That's okay. Try again.
Okay, good.
Perfect. You're good. Collect your belongings.
Belongings?
Your bags, laptop, shoes, everything from the bins.
Ah, okay. So I take everything back now. Thank you.
Have a safe flight.
That wasn't so bad. Okay, find gate 12 now.
Gate 12. Gate 12. There it is. Okay, go to gate 12. Finally, I made it.
Attention passengers on Pacific Air Flight 204 to Tokyo. We will begin boarding in approximately 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay, I have time to relax.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no. Please, sit.
Thank you. Flying to Tokyo?
Yes. Then to Los Angeles. It's a connecting flight.
Ah, connecting flight. I'm going to Tokyo too.
Is it your first time?
No, I go often for work. You?
My first time. I'm a little nervous. Actually, very nervous.
Don't be. It's a great city.
That's good to know. How long is the flight?
To Tokyo, about 11 hours.
11 hours? Wow. That's a long flight.
Yes, it's long, but the airline is good. They have movies, meals.
Meals?
Yes, food. They'll serve lunch and a snack.
Oh, that's good. So they'll feed us on the plane.
Attention passengers on Pacific Air Flight 204 to Tokyo. We are now boarding rows 30 to 40. Rows 30 to 40.
That's the back of the plane. They board from the back first.
Oh, interesting. I have row 23.
You'll board soon then.
Okay, so I wait for them to call row 23.
Now boarding rows 20 to 30. rows 20 to 30.
Okay, that's me. Okay, here I go.
Have a good flight.
Thank you. You too. 23A. 23A. Where is it?
Can I help find your seat?
Yes, please. 23A?
Right here, this window seat.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You can put your bag in the overhead bin,
Overhead bin?
this compartment above, for luggage.
Ah, okay. So my bag goes up here. Like this?
Perfect. Have a comfortable flight.
Thank you. Wow, I'm really on the plane.
Excuse me, would you like something to drink?
Oh, what do you have?
We have water, juice, soda, tea, and coffee.
Soda?
Yes, Coke, Sprite, ginger ale.
Oh, I see. I'll have water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still?
Yes, still water is regular water. Sparkling has bubbles.
Ah, still water is regular water. I'll have still water, please.
Here you are.
Thank you so much.
Would you like any snacks? We have pretzels and cookies.
Oh, cookies, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. This is nice.
Excuse me, lunchtime. What would you like?
What are the options?
We have chicken with rice or pasta with vegetables.
I'll have the chicken, please.
Chicken with rice. Here you are.
Thank you. What's this?
That's a bread roll and that's a butter.
Oh, okay. A bread roll with butter and this small bowl?
That's dessert. A chocolate mousse.
Mousse?
Yes, it's like soft chocolate pudding.
Oh, sounds delicious. So, chicken, rice, bread, and chocolate mousse. That's a lot of food.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This looks good. I'm hungry.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing in Tokyo in approximately 1 hour. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
1 hour. Wow. I can't believe we're almost there. Okay, Amy. Next is finding your connecting flight. You can do this. Okay. Find my connecting flight. Where do I go? Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
I have a connecting flight to Los Angeles. Where do I go?
May I see your boarding pass?
Here?
Okay, your next flight is at 6 p.m. You have almost 4 hours.
4 hours. Wow, that's a long time. Okay. Where is the gate?
First, you need to go through transit security.
Transit security?
Yes, security check for connecting passengers. Follow the signs that say connections or transit.
Oh, I see. So I look for signs that say connections or transit.
Exactly. After security, check these screens for your gate number.
The screens. Okay, I remember those from before.
Your airline is Pacific Airline Flight 508 to Los Angeles.
Yes, that's right.
The gate will be in international departures area, probably between gates 40 and 60.
Gates 40 to 60. Okay, I'll look for that. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good flight.
Okay. Follow connection signs. Go through security. Find gate 40 to 60. I can do this. Connections, transit. There it is. Connections. Good. Okay, let me go through security again and check the screens. Flight 508. Flight 508. There it is. Gate 47. Perfect. It's 2:30, so I have 3.5 hours. That's a lot of time. Maybe I should get some food or look around. Yes, I'll explore a little.
Oh, duty-free shop. I've heard of these.
Hello? Welcome.
Hello?
Are you looking for anything specific?
Just looking. What is duty-free exactly?
Duty-free means no tax. Products here are cheaper than in regular stores.
Oh, no tax. So things cost less here. That's good.
Yes, we have cosmetics, perfume, chocolate, alcohol.
Oh, chocolate. Can I get some for my friend?
Of course, these are popular Japanese chocolates.
They look nice. How much is this box?
That's 2,000 yen.
2,000 yen? How much is that in dollars?
About $15.
$15. That's not bad. Okay, I'll take it.
Great. Cash or card?
Card, please.
No problem. Here you are.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your flight.
That was easy. Sarah will like this chocolate. I'm a little hungry. Let's try some Japanese food.
Hello, welcome. Just one person?
Yes, just me.
Follow me, please. Thank you. Here is the menu. I will be with you shortly.
Okay, thanks. Wow, so many choices.
Hello, are you ready to order?
What do you recommend?
We have good ramen, udon, and rice bowls.
Ramen?
Yes, it's noodle soup. Very popular in Japan.
Oh, okay. Noodle soup. I'll try the ramen.
Which type? We have miso, shoyu, and tonkotsu.
Which one is not too spicy?
Miso is mild. Tonkotsu is rich and creamy.
I'll have miso, please. The mild one.
Good choice. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Okay, miso ramen and water. It will be ready in about 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Perfect. Thank you.
Here is your ramen.
Oh, it looks so good. Thank you.
Enjoy. Let me know if you need anything.
This is delicious. Wow, I love it. That was amazing. Excuse me, can I have the check?
Sure, here you are.
Can I pay with card?
Yes, card is fine.
Okay, good.
Here's your receipt. Thank you.
Thank you. The food was great. Really delicious.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
That was the best ramen. I want to eat that again.
Finally. Los Angeles. I made it. Okay. Immigration next. Just answer their questions. What will they ask me? Stay calm, Amy.
Next, please.
Hello.
Passport, please.
Here you are.
Where are you coming from?
Tokyo? But I started in English Daily.
What's the purpose of your visit?
Purpose?
Why are you coming to the US? Tourism? Business? Visiting someone?
Oh, the reason I'm here. Tourism. I'm here to visit. To be a tourist.
How long will you stay?
2 weeks.
Where are you staying?
With a friend in Los Angeles.
Okay. Welcome to the United States.
Oh, thank you so much. That wasn't so scary. Okay, now find my bag. Baggage claim, baggage claim. Carousel 5. Okay, Carousel 5. I hope my bag is here. Please be here. There it is. Finally. Got it.
Excuse me, do you have anything to declare?
Declare?
Yes, any food, bonds, or goods you need to report?
Oh, I have some chocolate from Japan. Is that okay?
Chocolate is fine. Any fresh fruit or meat?
No, just chocolate.
Okay, you're good to go.
Thank you. Okay, almost done. Just need to find my friend now.
Where is Jack?
Amy, over here.
Hi, Jack.
Welcome to LA. How was your flight?
Long but good. I'm so tired, but so happy to be here.
I bet. Come on, let's get you home.
Thank you so much for picking me up. Really, thank you.
Of course. So, tell me about your flights. How was Tokyo?
The airport was big, but I managed. And I tried ramen. It was so delicious.
Nice. Your first time trying it?
Yes, and I loved it. So good.
You'll have to try more Japanese food while you're here. LA has great restaurants.
Really? That sounds amazing.
Oh, yeah. We'll go to Little Tokyo this weekend.
That sounds fun. I can't wait. I'm just happy to be here finally.
I'm happy you're here too. Let's go home. You need rest.
Yes, please. I'm so tired.
By the way, how was your first time flying alone? You did great.
I was so nervous at first, like really nervous, but everyone was nice and helped me.
See? It's not so scary.
No, not scary, just a lot. But I learned so much.
Like what?
Like what a boarding pass is, and carry-on, and duty-free, and transit security. So many new words.
Haha, you're a pro now.
Maybe. I still have a lot to learn. But I feel proud of myself.
You should be proud. You did an amazing job.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Well, you have 2 weeks. We'll practice your English every day.
I'd love that. Really. I want to learn more.
Perfect. Now let's get you home. You must be exhausted.
I really am so tired.
Just 20 more minutes. Then you can sleep.
Okay. 20 minutes. Jack?
Hmm?
Thank you for everything. I'm so happy to be here.
Anytime, Amy. Welcome to America.
I did it. I really did it.